So when you receive your camping light, it does come in a really nice case. I love that it's got this camo look to it. It's all zippered. It's a really nice metal zipper here. And on the inside, we do have a strap to hold everything in here. And we've got a strap on the outside. Also, we do have some stakes right here, some metal stakes. They are actually going to go on the bottom of this when you actually pull it out for a tripod. So you can put them through those holes to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. And of course, we got our charging cord right here. Right here, we do have a silicone lip, so we can go ahead and open that up to go ahead and charge it up. So here we have our power button. When you turn it on, you do have an LED indicator. So you can see here we've got our lights going on. As you press it through there, it's going to go ahead and change the brightness. But if you long press it, you can go ahead and cycle through all the different colors here. Now it's going to cycle anywhere from 1800K to 6500K. And the brightness, you got low, medium, and high. Now the light for this actually comes right through here. You can extend this out telescopically, so you can get it really high ups. If you're out maybe camping, you had a table right here, this light really diffuses over the area to really light everything up really well. And then with a tripod, it's going to open up really nice and firm. That way we've got these nice wide legs to make sure it's not going to go anywhere. And if it was windy, that's where the stakes are going to come in. This light actually has a flashlight, a strobe light, and an SOS light. I mean, it's got so many features. Just besides camping, this is something you could definitely keep in your vehicle or just around the house to have light whenever you need it. Hope you found this review helpful.